In front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can set up sleep time to never. You need to begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up, tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and go into Tab menu to edit it. In order to do that, use those three dots at the top right corner, hit Edit Tiles, add Caffeine one at the bottom, go back, and last but not least, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!